Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So le weekend le kuneyindaba eziphumile regarding umdlalo weSundowns. But ke lezo izindaba lezo uzivele zagqitshwa ama games ade ekhona kwiBetway Premiership. Ngithi angibuye nje kulolu daba lolu singaze sidlule kulona. Thaphela Maseko Mamelodi Sundowns umjida akekho happy bafethu. Thaphela Maseko, if you remember, he joined Mamelodi Sundowns from SuperSport United. Leyo deal leyo yayi valued around 20 million. So umjida wadayiswa 20 million from SuperSport United. There were offers for him kuma club ale ase Europe ayemfuna umjida kumsayina. Ukukhumbula kahle Thaphela Maseko was very talented edlalela SuperSport United. He joined Mamelodi Sundowns. His career with Sundowns really didn't take off because umjida he struggled with game time, wayethola ama injury with Sundowns and nokuhamba kwaRolani Mkwena kwamkhathaza kakhulu umjida, kwamlimaza ukuhamba kwaRolani Mkwena because after uRolani ehambile akaphinda angasetshenziswa. I don't remember uManqoba emsebenzisa lo mjida lo. Mhlawumbe I may be lying, but I don't remember seeing uManqoba Mnqithi using uThaphela Maseko. To be honest, yena wayengasithatha isinqumo esiright. Ukube umdlali osile ngempela ekhanda wayengasithatha isinqumo esiright ukuthi ayojoin iSundowns noma ayele Europe. Ayojoin iSundowns noma ayele Europe. As a young player, you are 2000. You have a choice, a big choice. It's either you join Sundowns noma you go to Europe. Look at the Sundowns squad. Do you see yourself competing with the highest earning players from South America? Do you see yourself competing with the players abathengwa ngo-52 million? Kumele uyibuke ezumdlali. Iyonto ehlezi ingxaka abadlali abasuka kwiSundowns. Most yabo bahlezi bezofika la kuthina sebekhala kube ngaza kushiwonke ukuthi ningayijoin le team. But ke most yabo ngeke ngibakhalele kakhulu. Mhlawumbe nama team nabo ama team abuya abapressurize ukuthi babajoine lama club lapho because ama team adinga imali la kuBetway Premiership. Mancane ama team la kuBetway Premiership anemali. So they need money. Most of these teams need that money to survive. Yabo. So mekufika iclub njenge Sundowns izofuna ukusayina umdlalo njengoThaphela Maseko, ngeke ileyo team inqabe because they need money, so they will force the player to go to iSundowns. So ngikusala indaba le yaThaphela Maseko. So umjida upostile la ku Instagram. I'm sure abanye abaningi bamlandela abayibonile, but ke I didn't see this post because I don't follow abadlali beSundowns. But ke bang screenshotile la nginifundela kuthiwa I don't even know when it started, but it's lately it feels like the fire in me is fading. Uthi umlilo ongaphakathi kuyena uyafade. Usajima engawuthi impilo yakhe idependela kuyona, but usapush and ukhathele ukupusha ulwa nama mental battles angaphakathi kuyena. Ufila empty, ufila ngawuthi game kuyena engaphakathi iyaphela. Igame yebhola, uthando lebhola ngaphakathi kuyaphela ngokwakhe. And lento le bafethu ayikho mnandi. Lo mdlali lo usamncane kakhulu bafethu Thaphela Maseko ukuthi angafila this way kwiSundowns. Usamncane kakhulu. Sundowns mele yenze i-decision regarding these players. Akusiyena umdlalo oyedwa onalenkinga kwiSundowns currently. There are many players, even uLetlahu. Angifuna ukukhuluma indaba leTlahu, but ke nayo leTlahu ngizwile indaba zakhe kuthiwa usubmit i-transfer request kwiMamelodi Sundowns. Angazi kwenzakalani kwiSundowns right now. uFlemingberg uningi ngempela akushintshayo lapha. Abadlali bayakhala, kuningi okwenzakalayo. Kule season le Orlando Pirates mayasiyekele, angazi ngempela iPirates yobi ibone nini ukuyiwina kwayi league because nayo right now iPirates isenza umsangano nje. iSundowns right now ayikho into einhlelweni eziright. Yabo ayikho einhlelweni eziright. Injalo nje inemali. iSundowns ethola imali eningi kwiClub World Cup. iSundowns engakulandela umdlali la 100 million. Seyakulandela umdlalo wa100 million. But ke wena usuke kweteam yakho kwiSuperSport, usuke kwiStellenbosch ufuna ukuyojoin iSundowns, ikulandela umdlalo wa100 million oqhamuka le South America. Maso expect uzodlala, ngeke uzodlala. Khohlwa njengesidumbu nje esikoleni ngeke uzodlala. So Thaphela Maseko agent yakho noma iteam yakho yadlala ngawe mfethu. Angifuni nje uqambela amanga nawe ngazizwe indaba zakho mekubuza ukuthi who do you prefer? Do you prefer i-Sundowns noma i-Europe? Wathi wena uprefer i-Sundowns. Naye i-Sundowns, i-Sundowns eke bafethu ayidlali nengane. Uma ungaperform kwi-Sundowns bakuhlalisa ebenchini. Uma ungabanikeza lento abayifunayo abenzi ngeyibumi. No, abenzi ngeyibumi. You have to fight for a position kwi-Sundowns. Ngeke ungitshela ukuthi wena umdlalo odlala esiswini ufuna ukuyodlalela i-Sundowns. Njozi uyohlalisa uTebogo Mokoena ebenchini. One of the best midfielders akhona la eAfrica. Ungitshela ukuthi ufuna ukuyodlalisa umdawo ebenchini. Ngeke umhlalise umdawo ebenchini uyi-right back. Ufuna ukuyodlalela i-Sundowns khohlwa njengesidumo esikoleni. So labadlali laba kumele bayibuke bona isibukweni nama-team nawo. Kumele nje acrucify ama-team ukuthi awukwazi udedela umdlali umbona kahle umdlali ngiyazi adlale lapha ngenxa yemali. Yabo inkinga imali la ku-Betway Premiership yonke into esengiyibonile futhi imali. Kodwa phela na uma umdlali une-say, you have a say. Just tell the team you don't want to go. Rather force me out. Rather make me a free agent. I won't go. Because this is your career. You are risking with your career by joining this team. I'm not saying they are a big club, but the reputation that they give to the players. The reputation that they give. Mjito uzolona. Ngekudala nje uzobona kuthiwa thank you sweloniwe. Ngisakhuluma ngeloan. Orlando Pirates ke isivele yalona umdlali wayo akwazi umuntu but ke isulona umdlali wayo amlona le kwe-club yase-Israel. Yeah. Nami nje zengixakile le ndaba because ba-announceanga but ke uma ungilandela I spoke about uKarim Kimvidi ngasho ukuthi ngenzeka ngempela umjida maningi amathuba akhe uthi ahambe kule season. Uloniwe ke udlala le Israel right now. Kulabadlali engangithe bazohamba uyedwa kuphela umdlalo ongahambanga. Yebo ya renew i-contract yakhe ubani uDion Hotto. So Dion Hotto right now usadlalela Orlando Pirates. Yena kuphela umdlalo ongahambanga ya renew i-contract. So all of these players I mentioned ukuthi bazohamba bahamba ngempela. Orlando Pirates yasho ukuthi bayahamba. Hayi nango ke uKarim Kimvidi right now akekho kwi-Orlando Pirates. Angazi kuma comments wangitshela regarding situation yakhe but game for me mshita mfethu kuningi ngempela kumele akushintshe yena. Yabo Kimvidi. So for me I don't know about Kimvidi mfethu. I spoke about this guy last season. I feel like ukufika kwakhe yes he was good at the start but he didn't pick up. He didn't use the opportunity he was given because he was given many opportunities to impress the fans, to impress the management. He was way too stiff to be a football player for Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates, you must be free.